Welcome back to CobblerNCoals. I'm your host, Mr. Tim. The other day, I was scrolling through Facebook, as I do, strictly for research, and I came across a post from the Tampa Scout Shop where they had mentioned that they were looking for the ability to make some fried chicken. They were talking about making fried chicken at camp. Now, one of the major drawbacks of doing fried chicken at camp is that it ends up a mess that you have to take care of and clean up. And a lot of scouts don't understand the steps that you can take easily to clean up that mess. And that is using leave no trace principles. You can make fried chicken at camp and safely dispose of the oil or pack it out so that you don't have to make a mess out there. You don't have to dig a trench or anything like that. I know a lot of times scouts think, oh, well, we'll just toss it out into the wood and it'll be all right. That's not the case. So, you see me here just putting a bunch of yellow mustard. And I assure you that flavor of the yellow mustard does not mess with the flavor of your fried chicken. So, this happens to be a recipe from a friend of mine's mother way back when I was a teenager. Actually, probably younger than that. Larry and I hung out a lot. It still is, my brother. And his mother, every Sunday, would either host a get-together or go after church to another church member's house, and she liked to make fried chicken. Everybody always asked, how is it that your fried chicken is so amazing? And it was this mustard trick. Now, you might be thinking, well, doesn't it make it taste like mustard? No, it does not. The vinegar helps to break down the chicken. It helps to tenderize it. And you don't taste the mustard. It acts as a great binder. And if you buy a brand new bottle of mustard and take it with you, then you don't have to worry about refrigeration because mustard is shelf stable until you open it. Get this out of the way. And all you have to do is toss it in the mustard for a little bit. No need for eggs or milk or anything like that. And once you get it thoroughly coated, then you get to take your gloves off and use tongs. Inside this bag right here, we have flour, all of the seasonings. There might be a colonel that has similar seasonings when he makes chicken. Don't want to say any names because, apparently it's secret. And I don't want to get in trouble. You just toss the chicken into the Ziploc bag. Do not push out all the air. You want some of the air in there because it helps it when it comes time to shake it up. And you just make sure you get your chicken thoroughly coated in the seasoned flour. Then you carefully get out chicken and set it on your pan. You want to set it and give it a moment to absorb all those flavors. You don't want to just go straight into the fryer right away. It is very important that you are careful at this step not to crowd the pan, and also we want to lower the chicken and let it fall away. Okay. It's been killing me while I'm waiting for the other pieces to finish. To wait. Just so I can do the... Oh. Oh yeah. Still crispy, hot. Put a little bit of flaky salt on it. Just, you know, to go fancy. You like that? That's amazing. Now, while the oil is cooling off, we're going to enjoy dinner, and I'll come back afterwards to show you what you need to do to make sure you take care of the oil safely. You do not pour it away in the woods or near a campsite. So following Leave No Trace, we're going to funnel that into the original container once it's cool, and then we can pack it out. Because you know, if you pack it in, you pack it out. Trash your trash. Part of the principles of Leave No Trace. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas on any recipes you want to see me make, drop me a line in the comments. As always, I'll catch you around the next campfire.